My collection is basically yung mixture ng East and West na influence. When I met my wife, siya yung may malaking collection eh. Nakaka-inspire yung collection niya, so eventually I became a hardcore collector. The rest is history. I met yung mga groupmates ko, yung Cybertron Philippines. Cybertron Philippines basically is a Transformers group. In fact, it is the biggest Transformer group in the Philippines. So when I met up with them, una kwento-kwentuhan lang, tapos paano namin nakuha yung mga collectibles, and then eventually we tend to help each other out with our collection. We have members in Japan, we have also members in Canada and the US. So when they need something here in the Philippines, I get them here. Tapos ship ko. Sila din, ganun din. Pag may kailangan sila doon, pinadadala lang nila dito. So we basically help each other out. Ang pinakamagastos naman dyan yung sa simula eh. When you're starting, naghahabol ka, dun magastos. Pero pag nakahabol ka na, you got everything that you wanted. Ang keyword doon is just collect selectively. Don't try to get everything. Kung ano lang yung hilig mo, yun lang ang kolektahin mo. Lahat ng hilig ko nakuha ko na, so once in a while na lang ako bumibili niya yon. And of course, ang priority pa rin family. Kailangan comfortable yung lifestyle ng family. Tapos pag may konting extra, dun lang ako bumibili. Do I earn from it? Siguro yung mga collectibles na ayoko na binebenta ko, kaya lang hindi ko siya binebenta for profit. Kung magkano yung acquisition cost ko, yun din ang presyo na binebenta ko. Maraming scalpers din, maraming hindi naman sila fans pero kinukuha nila yung rare and then binebenta nila twice or thrice the price, and that's the reason why we have organizations such as Cybertron Philippines. What we do is we get the rarest ones first so that we can distribute it to our members at SRP. Ako kasi medyo OC ako pagdating dito eh. So more often than not, pag may long breaks, nililinis ko sila. Isa-isa nililinis ko para ma-maintain yung ganda ng mga toys, di ba? Nung bago yung shelves, nung na-display ko siya, halos araw-araw, bago ako matulog, tinitingnan-tingnan ko sila. Kasi ang sarap ng feeling. Pag nakikita mo, ang dami na pala. This is basically a culmination of all my life. Lahat ng collection ko, lahat ng kinolek ko, ever since nung nagsimula ako, dito na yon, ito yon. So, it really takes me back. Yung memories, kung paano ko sila nakuha, paano ko sila binili. If you want to collect, now's the best time. Now, I will not fool you, medyo magastos, and in fact, medyo nakaka-obsess, kasi lalo na pag nagsisimula ka. So, please, whatever you do, whatever you collect, medyo hinay-hinay lang. Just collect whatever you like. Do not collect dahil meron yung isang kaibigan mo nun. Huwag ganon. Kung ano lang yung gusto mo, yun lang ang kolektahin mo.